The equation is E square equal to PC whole squared. Wow, this is a very interesting result. To see its importance, let me write the relativistic equation of energy of a particle. We know from relativity that the square of the energy equals Pc whole square plus m naught c square whole square, where m naught is in fact the rest mass energy, which is 0 for photons. And substituting m naught equal to 0, this equation reduces to E square Pc square, exactly what we obtained from the wave equation. In other words, equation 5 simultaneously carries the information of particle nature of photon in terms of E and the information of wave nature of photon in terms of P. Thus, merging the electromagnetic wave equation with Einstein photons equation and the Bragg hypothesis leads to very sensible and physically valid result.